Hello everyone, welcome to Legacy IAS. So this is a question from CSAT 2024. It says in an examination 80% of the students passed in English, 70% of students passed in Hindi, okay, 15% failed in both the subjects. What is the percentage of students who failed on only one subject? Now very simple, what you have to do, you have to draw a failure diagram. So if 80% students passed in English, how many failed? In English, how many failed? In English, 20 people failed. Correct? Now, if 70% of the students passed in Hindi, then how many failed in Hindi? In Hindi, 30 people failed, or 30% students failed. Now, 15% failed in both of them. So that means here you will have 50 failed in both of them. Now it is asking you what is the percentage of students who failed in only one subject. So now if this whole is 20, if this whole is 20, this is 15, so what is this? This is 5. If this whole is 15, and if this whole is 30, this is 15, so this is 5. So these are the number of students or percentage of students who failed in only one subject, which is 15 is 5, that is 20. So answer becomes B, that is 20%. That's it. Thank you.